Kitchen doesn't need ripping out, it just needs better decisions, and this is where most people get it wrong. They try to redo everything in one go with the redesign tool and get results that don't really match their vision, when really it's just a few details that are holding the space back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix those details using precise changes without rebuilding the entire room. Hi, I'm Sasha from HomeDesignsAI, and in this case study we're working with a compact kitchen that already functions well. The layout works, the storage is there, but visually it feels dated and a bit heavy. So instead of redesigning it entirely, we're going to clean it up, refine it and upgrade specific elements. This is a great base image to work with because the layout is already solid. We don't need to touch the structure at all. So before making any design changes, I always start by clearing visual clutter. I'm using the furniture remover tool for this. I go in with automatic selection so the AI highlights objects like the coffee machine, fruit bowl, mugs, etc. And if anything isn't picked up with automatic selection, I just refine it using the manual brush. Then I generate, and now we have a clean base to work with. This step is important because we don't want clutter influencing the redesign. If it's just one or two pieces of clutter, you can get away with removing it at any time with the Magic Redesign tool, but I usually prefer to get rid of that at the start. Next, I want to brighten the cabinetry, so I'm using the colours and textures tool. I go in with automatic selection to highlight just the cabinets, and I'm changing them to a white colour. Now let's refine the countertops. I'm using Magic Redesign for this because I feel like it handles surface updates really well, especially if you want a specific finish as opposed to a tool like Precision Plus. So the prompt I'm using is right here. So this gives us a cleaner, more contemporary surface. The backsplash is another small detail that makes a big difference, so I'm updating it with a more modern texture with the Precision Plus tool, selecting the backsplash part of the wall with automatic selection and refining the selection with the manual eraser brush, then choosing the space type and design style and level of AI intervention. This is the prompt I'm using in the additional instructions box, but as I mentioned previously, if you want a specific finish for the surface, then Magic Redesign tool is your best option. Now everything starts to feel more cohesive. As we lighten the upper half of the room, we need to balance it with some warmth below. So I'm updating the flooring to a light natural wood finish. You can do this with the floor editor or with Magic Redesign. This keeps the space grounded. Now we layer in the final details. I'm using fill spaces to place elements exactly where I want them. I'm doing this in steps. You can also do it all in one go with Magic Redesign tool or even with the virtual staging tool. First, I'm just selecting where I want the rug to go, choosing the space type and design style, level of AI intervention, and I'm using this description in the additional instructions box. Then I just want to add a small plant near the window. So same procedure as adding the rug, but I'm just highlighting near the window because that's where I want the plant to go. These details make the space feel complete without adding clutter back in. Now, if you want to experiment, you can run this through Beautiful Redesign. So this keeps the same structure and just changes the design style. If you want bolder redesign options, then opt for Perfect Redesign or Creative Redesign and just increase the level of AI intervention. So here are a few more different results in different design styles. You can test different looks like Japandi or Organic Modern. Once you're happy with a design, you can take it further. So you can use the Furniture Finder tool. It scans the design and gives you purchase links for similar pieces of furniture and decor. So you can actually bring the design into real life. And if you want to present this in a more dynamic way, you can turn the image into a video. So just hover over the generation right here, choose a camera, movement like slow pan or rotation, and it brings the space to life. Here's the original kitchen and here's the updated version. Same space, same layout, just refined. So here are the key takeaways from this space. Start by clearing the space, focus on materials, not just furniture, and small changes done properly can completely shift how a room feels. If your space feels outdated, don't rush into a full redesign. Fix the details first. You might not need anything more than that. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.